guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my DIY protein treatment. I've been using this mask since I was transitioning to make my curls pop throughout the week and be more defined. First, I like to start off with a cup of Greek yogurt. Yogurt's really good for hair because it has lactic acid, which acts as a moisturizer. Next, I'm going to take some organic honey. Honey is really good for the hair as well because it moisturizes the hair as well as cleanses the scalp, and it gets rid of any dandruff or buildup on your scalp. Next, I'm just adding in some extra virgin olive oil, which contains vitamin E, which is essential for hair growth. And then I'm just taking some essential oil and putting in about 3 drops just to add some scent and some stimulation to my scalp. And I mix it all together to create a mask. So now this is my hair after about a week of neglecting it. I've had it in a bun every single day for work and it's just really dry and matted and it's really due for a mask. So what I like to do first is split my hair into a middle part and then section it off into 4 sections. Now I'm just spraying down my hair. In this bottle is water and conditioner. I'm just going to take the mixture and just rake it through my hair. I like to finger detangle a little bit to get any large knots out. And then I like to take my Denman brush and just comb through every strand to make sure everything is nice and coated. And then I just repeat those steps throughout every other part. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. So now I like to take any excess and I just put it on the top of my head because that is the driest part of my hair, and I really like to comb it in just to make sure that it's really in there. And then I take a plastic bag and my bonnet and put those on and wait about 30 minutes to an hour before I rinse it out. And this is what my hair looks like with no products out of the shower, guys. This mask is amazing. I like to just spray my hair down and go in with It's a 10's Deep Frizzing Cream. I really love this cream because it does exactly what it says it does. And then I just go in with their Miracle Gel and I'm just putting that all throughout my hair as well. And then I just like to finger coil it in just to make sure that none of my strands frizz out throughout the day. Next, I'm just blow drying my hair on the lowest heat possible. This takes around 15 to 30 minutes. And that's it, you guys. That's the whole mask. I know this was a short video, but honestly, it's super simple and the results are amazing every single time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.